What's up everybody, welcome on back to the 710 Performance YouTube channel. As you saw in the last video, we got a new shop and right now we're moving out of the old one. We just got the oven laid on a roller on its side. We've got a trailer we're getting ready to link on up and we're gonna go ahead and move everything on out of here. We would have got some video footage of this, but I thought the camera was on and it wasn't. Let's jump in the video and get everything moved on over to the new shop. So we went ahead and got the first load of big stuff taken care of. As you can see, we did do some damage to the oven. Here's a look at the inside. There are a few little seals and stuff that are undone. And where the main damage in the back was is right in this area, and we kind of pushed it out. We will have to reseal under there. We're gonna cover it with some flashing. That way it's covered and it's nice and sealed off. We'll show you what's going on in the back here. So the roller got stuck right here. We're gonna go ahead and bend these out some. Granted, it's not gonna look the best, but then we're gonna put some metal over it as well as put the insulation back in. To be completely honest with you, it kind of looks bad, but it's not as bad as it looks, if you see what I'm saying. So all we have to do is just make sure whatever small leaks there could be in the oven, make sure those are sealed up. But what we're gonna go ahead and do right now is we're gonna go ahead and run back over to the other shop. We're gonna load up all of the rim strip and the other barrels that we have, grab some small things like the welder and the sandblaster. We're gonna go ahead and bring them on back over here and finish this day up. So let's get to it. the big stuff. A majority of what is going to be going in the shop is here at the shop. Everything that was over at Austin's shop, except for a few small things like our winch and a couple other things like that. But we do have our rim strip here, our rim strip barrel, our dip tank or rinse tank. We got the sandblaster over here, the powder coating machine, everything including propane tanks, our current air compressors. We're ready to get this shop set up and get things pumped out because we've already got work here. So that's it. We've got everything moved on over to the shop. We're gonna go ahead and get things set up so we can start doing the work that we've already got here. If you like this video or you wanna see more content like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Show your appreciation for the video and help us with the YouTube algorithm by smashing up the like button. And we're gonna see you in the next video. Peace.